It's Life on Pig Row, and for the first time in quite a long time I'm actually in the garden today. I'm in a herb garden, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to plant bulbs that you forgot you had in the house. Yes, it does happen. So, terracotta pot. I've taken out the old annual bedding that was in here. It's really cold and wet at the moment, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a bit of new compost to it. Sprinkle it out. And you'll notice I'm quite deep down in the pot. The reason for that is dead simple. I'm going to undo my bulbs now. As you can see, they've started to shoot. So all I'm going to do is gently push them into the soil, and you've got to go 2.5 times the depth of the bulb. So if you look here, you are, and a bit more. As you can see here, I am at that depth in here in the pot. So all I'm doing is put them in, spacing them out, letting the wind take away the chaff. Finding space for all of them. And yeah, I am cramming them into this pot, and I will discard any bulbs that have died. Same again, same again. And then what I'm going to do is just simply cover it over. And I'm covering it over like so. I'm going to keep going until everything is covered over, and that's how you plant any bulbs that may already be shooting. So that's it, that's one pot full of the alliums that I wanted to plant. Just going to pop that in a corner, let it do its thing, and I'll have a nice show this summer. So if you enjoy what we do at Life on Pig Row, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you do have bulbs just hanging around still in a cupboard, give them a go, put them in a pot. You'll find that they'll do really well in a pot, and you'll get some colour this summer.